In this class, we will see how to convert T flip-flop to the D flip-flop. So this point is flip-flop conversion. So to convert this flip-flop T to the D, we need destination flip-flop truth table and source flip-flop excitation table. So in this case, our source flip-flop is a T flip-flop and destination flip-flop is a D flip-flop. So this is the truth table of D flip-flop. In this, D is a input variable, D having only two values 0 and 1, and present state is our don't care, and next state is in D flip-flop. If input is 0, then output is also 0. If input is a 1, then output is also 1. So this is the truth table of D flip-flop. Next point, that is we need excitation table of T flip-flop. Excitation table of T flip-flop. So for excitation table of T flip-flop, we have two inputs that are Qn and Qn plus 1, and combinations are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1, and T values are 0 0 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 1 and 1 1 0. So by making use of these 2 points, truth table and excitation table, we are going to convert T flip-flop into the D flip-flop. Okay, so for that, the first part is that we have to extend D flip-flop truth table. So in this case, we have extended D flip-flop truth table. We have used the present state values of the D, that are, if D is equal to 0, then we have two values of present, that is a 0 and 1. If D is equal to 1, we have present state values 0 and 1. Okay. After that, based on this situation, we have written the next state value of the D flip-flop. So if we have 0 0, output is our next state is a 0. If we have 0 1, next state is a 0. Our input 1 0, next state is a 1. Input 1 1, next state is a 1. Okay. After that, we have to write the T values based on excitation table. So if we have Qn and Qn plus 1, 0 0, we have T value 0. So here value written 0. Next we have 1 0 here. T value is a 1. We have 1 1 is there. T value is a 0. We have 0 1 is there. T value is a 1. Now after writing this table, we have to plot KMF for T. Okay. So we have to take two inputs, that are D and Qn. So by using these inputs D and Qn, we have find the equation. We found the equation T is equal to D XOR Qn. Okay. Now for this design T flip-flop to the D flip-flop, we have used the T flip-flop's logic symbol T, then Q and Qn, then this is the output. So we have to give T is equal to D XOR Qn as a T input. So this is a Qn, and we have given Qn and Qn complement are the outputs. So in this way we have converted D flip-flop with T flip-flop. Okay, so in this way we have converted the T flip-flop into the D flip-flop.